Thank you for letting me have one of them electrolyte tablets. They're so fucking handy.
Yeah, good mate. Do help, don't they? Yeah, I walked over there and got shot immediately. There's a ghillie on this side of the road.
Is there?
Yeah. Him and Darren like, sat next to each other. I don't think they realised.
You ever get it where you wear shoes and your big toe just hurts?
I used to. I get quite wide shoes now. So,
Just a very
laptop.
Huh?
Fucking absolutely ruined laptop.
Oh, this is too far away from the
Yeah.
Yeah.
There is a few of them holding out by the blue container over there, so be careful. I just literally walked over there and got.
I'm not sure where is the blue container.
It's just over there.
A blue container on the beginning was a.
Yeah, where the on the road. Yeah.
You've got a smash on you.
It's
You've got the sniper again, Mark.
Yeah.
Oh, the lens is in clips.
Oh wow. Oh, they need help at house apparently. We come in. Over there.
Did they say Red's got house?
No, they want help. Are you guys inside house still? I think they're a bit too intently fighting.
Josh, are you still in possession of bomb?
Let's move up a bit.
Why move up? Just sit on the moon.
Yeah.
Get up on the moon. You got range.
Yeah, I might just go on the roof. Draw their attention. Yeah, that snapping is a hostile team. Got shot by him earlier. So like to the right.
Come in.
Backpack, yeah? Main pouch, yeah?
Any?
Like the reader one, isn't it?
Yeah.
Right, let's sit here and wait.
Seal up.
I cannot be asked.
Yeah, it's a fair old way. Right, there you go. It's all sealed up. Oh, they're smoking it out. Who's that over there? What's that?
The magic of a holster.
Oh, yeah. Gonna,
Just for 30 seconds.
yeah, it's going to move forward slightly. Try and keep out the fucking sun. Just there. Not me. Yeah, there's a lot of gunfire coming from over there.
Yeah, there's literally one just behind the mound on the road.
Yeah, he's got a good old loud gun and you can't see him. We just spread out to get him really. Yeah, I've noticed it's got the documents on still. They obviously just brought them to be used as cover. Yeah, he's snapping over there. He's shooting it.
He's that direction.
Yeah.
He's got fucking rental face mask, but he just keeps on popping up. He's only crashing.
That's by the plan, unfortunately. Three Ghillie snipers on the left hand side, on the right hand side of the house.
Fuck. Yeah, over there.
Oh,
Oh yeah, copy that. Oh, sorry. Bit of feedback. I'm guessing most of our teams are on the flanks.
yeah. There's a few over there, I think we're mainly just sitting in the middle.
Yeah. Yeah, I know there's a couple of ghillies there because I walked straight into a shot.
It is essentially Stephen the split room.
Yeah, yeah. At least it wasn't a walk in the park like the last round.
Yeah, well, the thing is, they're doing the exact same thing to us, so we'll go down.
Yeah.
Stand up.
Yep.
Yeah, help, mate.
It's behind you.
See you in a minute, mate.
Fucking hell, like, I don't know.
Trying to find him. Yeah, I'll see you in a minute.
Straight ahead. It's through a narrow gap.
Yeah.
There's somebody else who's got full auto. That's not.
I was going to stand back a bit so I can shoot. Yeah, just be careful with the ghillies over that way. Give it a try. Sounds like a plan.
Right, I've found the yellow bomb. Or the blue bomb.
Yeah, they're moving it.
It was over there, then it went
Yeah,
now
it's
it's quite good.
going all over the place.
Take it out of the jungle.
Yeah, that's what they're going to do. They're just regrouping.
Will, if you keep an eye on the red bomb, because you're near that, and I'll travel with the yellow.
They went somewhere, but I'll go look for them.
They probably pulled back into Bridge Arena then.
Funny if they go jungle as well.
Tell them to go jungle.
Yes, yes.
I think they're heading to the jungle with the red bomb.
They're going to take it. Oh, I'm going to encourage them to take it that way. Right, let's go jungle.
Yeah?
Yeah, fuck it.
What's his name? Just go up in there.
Hey, Darren. Yeah, yeah.
Oh, that's what you meant.
Apparently, there's only one ghillie down that whole school.
Small fin boy.
Yeah, he was holding. We've got a fair few friendly, so it's probably a good idea to push now. Yeah, they're engaging a fair bit. If we push hard, right. You going that way?
Bye-bye. Self-deck. Keep eyes on our left and front.
Yep, friendlies, yep.
I'm bomb carrier. I'm on it. That was me if you want to prove. Yeah.
Friendly up front.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, friendly right there, it's all good.
We don't have one.
Yeah, they're out. Hostile just there.
Ow! Oh! That was the most pathetic
drop to the ground I've ever done. That was like an old man falling down a fucking electric stairs.
Down I go.
I've been falling!
Falling down and he can't get up.
Oh, it's so lovely and cool in here. Laying on this ground.
Yep, it's nice.
Oh.
Let's wait for Josh, shall we?
Oh. It's making my nuts cold.
Straddled the bomb.
Not gonna move.
Yeah, okay.
If I get shot, I ain't calling it. I don't want us to stay here.
I'm gonna move a bit. Sounds like they might have their bomb in jungle as well.
It's gonna be a bomb off.
Yeah, copy. Moving up behind you two. You coming, Charlie? Yeah? Cool, you go ahead, mate. Okay, copy. Go this way. Come this way. Okay, should we go that way?
That way.
Yeah, I'll go ahead, so if I get shot, you know there's someone there. Yeah, we're moving behind Blue Josh. A lot of shooting around here. I think I just saw two of them run to the left of blue container into the woods there. Keep going that way.
Ah, medic. Lovely.
Oh yeah, nice. Alright, bring the bomb down this way.
Right, that.
Copy, we're right on your sixth. Do you want me to carry it, mate? Do you want me to carry it?
Yeah, you can do. I'll just drop
A
it
bit
down a
further
little bit.
Yeah. Oh, it's light as fuck, isn't it? I thought it was really heavy. Let's keep it so they
I'm trying
can't.
to make you feel weak.
No, sorry, mate. What I mean is, I was expecting it to, you know,
No,
be
it's
as heavy as it
it
looks. Yeah. Oops, I think he's got someone down there. Give a bit of suppressing fire.
In road.
Shall I move it
Top or
behind?
bottom of road, mate.
Shall I move it behind Josh there? I keep it like that so they can't see the yellow.
Guys, road, left side towards house, they're between us and house right now.
Copy. So what you're saying is we should run through jungle right now. Maybe. Let's go, let's go! Got the bomb right behind you on the fence line. We're going to need to cut through into a bridge in a minute though. Right, I'm moving further down in jungle with the bomb. Eat shit. We need to try and push and cut in.
Yeah, we're in that direction now.
Yeah.
Otherwise we'll be too close to the spawn.
Yep. Right, just pushing further down. We're ready. Going to try and get across the road in a minute. Right, we're near the road. Alright, you guys there, yeah?
Right.
Okay, yeah, we're moving to the friendlies. Yeah, I'm in radio contact with them. Yeah, let's go. Let's go.
Stay back.
Go.
Stay behind us. I'm medic. So maybe you shouldn't be at front? Yeah, but neither here's your bomb.
Yeah, alright, we've got friendlies just there. Alright, push forward, guys.
Take it to the tires, take it to the tires. Go.
Right, push over to the bridge, guys. We need to get across the road with the bomb.
Power bomb.
I've got the bomb here, guys. Are you ready to cross?
Also, I've got grenades if you need them.
Move. Get ahead. Oh, straight ahead, down road.
Check road, check road.
Jungle.
Oh! We've got my outside.
Bomb.
Yep. Come in. Right, it's in the wheel. Yep.
Keep an eye on jungle.
Friendly's push road towards house.
Yep, right.
And that lady's good.
Push towards
I think
bridge.
I fancy her.
Push towards bridge now. We need to get this to the bridge, don't we?
Yeah, I said that lady who's with us, she's good.
Yeah.
I said I think I fancy her.
Oh.
Is that a lady or?
Yeah,
Yeah, let's go, let's go, let's go.
Okay.
Right, I'm keeping close to you guys. Oh.
Right, we're down for bridge. Loading.
Where? Oh, there. Right.
Directly ahead.
Fuck it. Nice work, guys. Sorry, I didn't mean to lob it.
Everyone's getting a shot in the arm. Yeah, 5 minutes and the game will be over. Unless they get it back in.
Left side. Fuck. Push, push.
Red team, you have 5 minutes.